What's going on, you guys? Today you got Mike from Mike'sMoneyTips.com coming at you with another quick and simple way to make some extra money online. Granted, you're still going to have to trade time for money, and you're going to have to work this to make any money. If you want to check out something that's a little bit more passive, don't do it right now, but check it out at the end of the video. Check out the first link in the description. It's how I've started all my online stuff. It's a beautiful program. So without further ado, let's get started with this right here, because I've kind of showed you something like this before, but this one pays a little better. Well, let's just go to the website and I'll show you. It's Adfly. It's another shortener software that will pay you for every time somebody clicks on it with and plays the ad before wherever you want them to go. It's a really good thing if you are looking to just make some semi-passive income. I mean, granted, you're still going to have to do some work on this every day in order to make money, but it's not really hard work. Let me show you something. Down here is the amount of links that they've had clicked today, which is 4.1 million. They've got 5.3 million registered users. I mean, it's complete safe advertising. This is where people go to advertise online that don't have a whole lot of traffic yet, that need to have their website or whatever they want to be seen, maybe even a movie trailer or whatever. There's no telling what they'll play at the beginning, but it's up to them. Very low minimum payout. You're required to only earn $5 before you get paid, and PayPal or Payoneer. It's a really good thing. Not exactly sure. You can actually install this on a website. Cool. I didn't see that earlier. And the advertisers can start with a campaign as low as $5, so they're never going to run out of advertisers. Trust me. Let's see here. Payout rates. Let me show you why I said this one's better. The last one I showed y'all was $15 for the high. This right here, the highest for this US is $93. If you get the highest on the UK is $136. So I mean, and desktop CPM's $21 for unique link per 1,000 views. Here it's only for a raw link, it's $6.45, which is a little low, but that's okay. And this is 1,000 visitors within 24-hour period is this one right here. That's $21.75. The raw is first advent view for 1,000 link views. Basically what that's saying is if it basically bot traffic is what that would be. And this is just this. If you decided to go banner and you got websites, you can make $1.70 for every 1,000 views, which really ain't bad. But of course on mobile it's even higher. You get $4.56 for the unique views. So yeah, that's even better. Just out of curiosity, what's pop-ups? I hadn't even looked. The UK, the highest is $41. You get $7.27 for unique in the States and $6.10 for mobile. That's not bad. But anyway, let's go back to show you how you would do this. Say you're looking for to just say go over here to YouTube put in, say, make money online. I guess I could have went typing or whatever I've looked up, but anyway. Here's a video that's had 5.5 million views. Yeah, that sounds like a winner to me. You got Practical Wisdom. It's only 11 months old, so it ain't old. Or, actually, I like Kevin. Let's use his video. It's only a month old. It's already had 194,000 views, so we're in pretty good shape there. And it's definitely took off well. So, you know, it'd be relatively accurate. Let me stop this whenever it loads.
Obviously not like a massive, 4-hour-long in-depth tutorial. It's a 7-minute video, and he potentially made a
Okay. It stopped. What you do, you take the URL from it. You copy it. Go over here to Adfly. Put it in, shrink it. And then this is your, of course you'd want to log in, have it all underneath your account and everything, don't get me wrong. Otherwise you're never going to get paid. You know, this is your unique link for that now. What you would do, well, let me stay on this page. I should have done it another way, but anyway. Copy this, put it up here. That way it'll go in there. And it'll come up. See, it says please wait over here. It'll come up with a skip button here in a minute. And once my computer actually does something here. See, Adfly, of course I'm going to hit deny because I don't like that. So, see, now I can hit skip ad. I don't know what this thing is talking about. It should have went, but it hasn't. Let's see something. Ain't nothing here. I don't know. I don't know what happened there. Let's try this again. Oh, wrong button. Here we go. Copy this. Copy. Paste. And let's see what it does this time. But as you see over here, it says please wait while this is loading. I know what it is. My software won't allow me to do it because it thinks it's a virus, which it's not. But anyway, y'all saw what it does. You've seen the, gotta hit allow is what it is. And I didn't really want to do that, but close this. And then I hit start or skip ad. And it should go on now. No, it's still not doing it. But anyway, I'm not doing anything else to this. So anyway, y'all get the gist of it. Now, where you would promote this link, you go over to Facebook or Quora or a bunch of other places you can promote it. The easiest way for a lot of people's Facebook, you want to find a group and post in the group, you know, you found this beautiful video, yada yada yada, about this let's see here. What would I want here? Let's go. I don't think I can do it from this. I think I've got to go to my normal one. Yes, I do. Okay. Let's go here. Well, actually, type up here. Let's do this. Just search. Might help on spell it, huh? Make money online groups. Makes it easy. What you do, you come over here, you find a group that you'd want to join. That one's got 14,000, 25,000. Let's go to that. Take that out of it. That's better. What you see I'm in. Matter of fact, let me show you. Since I'm already joined in this group, make it easier. What you would do is come down here. As you see, they are allowed to post links in this group, which is what you're looking for. You always want to make sure that you can. That way, you know, you wait on this to come up, of course. Basically what I would do is I found the perfect video for the beginner. For to make money online. Then a semicolon, and I'd post this in. That's what I would do. Then every time somebody clicked on it, you'd make money. And with 62,000 people in here, you know, that's possibility a good amount of money. So if you guys got any questions, likes, comments, more than welcome to share here. So like I said, if y'all want to check out that first link in the description, I know some of y'all won't, because, you know, it's just, it'd be too much work. But anyway, without further ado, I'm out of here. Later.